Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you ping chat PHP live chat script. You can see admin panel. This is dashboard. User online. Today chat. Today page view. Today visitor. Analytic and server information. Recent chats. Latest users. Admin login history. Then script update. You can see its language. Your profile. Customize. View preview chat. Another option is basic settings. You can see site settings, IP address, add blocks, delete. Then another option is chat. You can see live chat, get widget code, chat history, cancel message, letters. So many options you can see. Then another option is analytic, so overview, digital logs, then who's online, then is mail setup, send mail, email template, mail setting, then administrator is my profile, is interface, create new language, language editor, manage theme, then interface setting, add-ons, install add-ons, stop add-ons, then error logs, PHP information, file manage, database backup. If you want this, if you need it, check the if you need it, check the link in the description. For installing help, contact us.